When new pipelines are installed, many people imagine this: dozens, if not hundreds, of construction workers, piles of dirt, and heavy machinery digging up the land and uprooting the state's natural beauty. That is part of the work, but there's another side of this work that might surprise you.
When Local 139 partners with its employers to train people for the installation of pipeline, we will train crews that specifically concentrate on putting that pipe in the ground. And then we'll take another group of people and we will train them specifically for restoration to make sure that when they leave that right of way, when that pipeline's installed and everybody's gone, everything is right back to its natural condition when they first started, if not better.
Restoring the natural habitat after a pipeline construction project may seem like a daunting task, but members of the Local 139 are up to it and take their work seriously.
It's an art, and it's an art that people take a lot of pride in. We partner with Enbridge, our employers, and our training center up in Coloma to make sure that every operating engineer, Local 139 employee, does the best job they can possibly do, and to do it sensitively and being sensitive to the ecology.
Being sensitive to the environment is a major focus for all pipeline projects that Local 139 members work on, including the upcoming Enbridge Line 5 reroute project in northern Wisconsin and the Keystone Pipeline project. And fortunately, Operating Engineers Local 139 has a state-of-the-art facility and the proper funding to make training for these projects a major focus for its members.
The Operating Engineers Local 139 has an annual budget for training of $9 million. $9 million, and we train, and pipeline is a big part of it, to make sure that when we leave, that project looks better than it did before we started.
That emphasis on training helps explain why the pipeline projects across the country have used thousands of Operating Engineers Local 139 members with such positive results. And now you know your Wisconsin.